If your voice is getting tired too fast or sounding tight and strained, you might be singing from your throat. But today I'll show you how to fix that once for all. Hello everyone, I'm Andre.mik. I'm a professional singer with a classical background, and on this channel you will find easy to follow tips, vocal exercises and singing secrets which will take your singing to the next level. Hit subscribe so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. There are a lot of reasons why you can sing from your throat, but today I'm going to talk about two of them, most common. And the first reason is lack of breath support. Many singers use their throat muscles instead of their breathing muscles. When you don't use your diaphragm and lower abdominal muscles correctly, you start to push your voice with your throat, and that's what causes tension and fatigue. You need to support your diaphragm with your lower abs. The diaphragm then presses gently on your lungs, pushing the air out with steady pressure. And that's what gives you power and control. Let's try to do this small experiment. Close your mouth and try to exhale strongly. You will notice that your lower belly pulls in. That's the breath support. Now let's sing some higher note, in the beginning without any support, and then let's add some breath support with your lower abdominal muscles, and let's hear what will happen. And it's not like I just started to sing louder. The only thing I changed was to add my lower abdominal muscles, and the voice immediately started to sound stronger and more confident. And this way, all the effort moves from your throat to your lower abdominal muscles, exactly where it should be. So why is this support so important? Because your throat muscles and your vocal cords are getting tired very fast, and it needs a long time to recover. If you've ever lost your voice, you know how long it takes to come back. But what happens with your lower abdominal muscles? They recover in seconds and your voice stays fresh and powerful. If you want to learn more about breath support and how to pass your breath, check this video here, or you can also find the link in the description. Another common reason why you can sing from your throat is that your voice stays too far back and you need to bring it forward. But what do I mean by a voice being back or forward? Let me demonstrate with a simple example. At first, my voice will be back, and then it will be more and more forward. When my voice is back, it's a little bit muffled and distant. And when I put it forward, it becomes brighter and clearer. I have to say that not everyone needs to bring the voice forward, because sometimes it happens that I need to bring the voice a little bit back. But in most cases, we struggle to bring the voice forward, not back. So let's do two simple exercises which will help you to bring your voice forward. The first exercise is well exercise, and it's called well because you need to sing the well sound. Let's get started. Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. And the second exercise is mniem exercise, because you need to sing the mniem sound. Let's do it. Nyam, 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 nyam. 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 You can take these strange but helpful sounds and to sing them with any vocal warm-ups you like. And if you want to learn more warm-ups, you can check this video, or you can also find the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment and hit subscribe so you never miss any new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andre.mik, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!